Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to get TradingView Premium for free in 2025. Let's get right into it. Way number 1, free premium trial. TradingView offers a 30-day free premium trial that gives you access to all the premium benefits. You can add 25 indicators in one chart, use the bar replay feature, create multiple watch lists, have up to 8 charts per tab, and enjoy an ad-free experience. All you need to do is enter your card details to get the 30-day trial. Don't worry, you can cancel before the trial ends, and no money will be deducted from your account. Way number 2 is with BlackBull Markets. They offer TradingView Pro for free with no time limitation. It's pretty simple. Create an account, connect your TradingView account, and you're good to go. BlackBull Markets is a reliable broker, and this option allows you to enjoy the pro features without worrying about subscription fees. Last but not least, way number 3, Vantage Markets. They let you choose between TradingView Pro, Professor Plus, and Premium depending on how much money you deposit with them. If you're already into trading, this could be a great way to get those premium features without any additional cost. So there you have it, 3 easy ways to get TradingView Premium for free in 2025. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.